As you know, the Akurum cabinet has been discontinued and I don't have the exact size to replace it. Fortunately, the two pieces added together on the old Akurum is the same as the new Sektion cabinet size. In this case, it's 18 by 30. So I'm gonna see if I can get the hinges to line up to attach the new doors to the old cabinets. As you can see, the hinges have changed. The bolt location is now horizontal instead of vertical. But to reuse the holes on the cabinet, we should be able to replace this piece from the old hinge and put it on the new one. And then we'll be able to reuse the holes in the cabinet without drilling new ones. Well, my best laid plan, the holes do not line up. I'm gonna have to drill new holes. So here is the new holes. They happen to be right in the middle of the old ones. So I went ahead and drilled the new holes, and then we will put these plastic clips in there to hold the screws. Let me get this out here. Here you go. Well, here is the final result. We have the new cabinet doors, the new screws that's holding the latch in place, and it matches the old one.